Good morning, everyone. It's September. I was going to say July. September 13th. Monday. Let's see what we have. Maximum number of balloons. What is this? Given that you want to use the characters of text to form as many instances of the word balloon as possible. You can use each character at most once, return the maximum number of instances you can form. So whatever this is, we can pick balloon and wait. Oh, we need a BALLOON. Balloon. Alright, this is funny. This is very funny. So like yesterday in the comments I saw people complaining. I say the September challenge is too many difficult questions. How do you like this? This is quite fun. And it's like, at least from my point of view, I don't think this is very hard. I'm just gonna do a counter. I think a counter shall suffice for this. So what I'm gonna do is counter the text, right? So I'm gonna say counter equals counter the text, and then we just count the minimum number of balloon. So we have BALLON. So we just say res equals. It should be the minimum, right? So math.inf. Actually, we can just do len text. This doesn't matter. And then we say for letter in balloon. Oh, actually, I don't even know. Huh. We need a counter of balloon. So let's say text count, right, and then B count, text C and BC equals counter text, counter balloon, right? And then we say for letter count in B count dot items. Oh, hold on. This is actually not. Like, what would be the best way to do this? So we iterate each one, and then we count the number, and if it's L and O, no. Let's just counter, and then we just gonna go through for letter in BALLON, right? And say if letter in LO, that's a double, right? So res equal to minimum res and counter letter divided by 2, because those, what if I have 3 divided by 2? Oh, yeah, that's only can support 1. So that's this. Else res equals min res counter letter, right? Minimum number of letter of B, minimum of A, minimum of L divided by 2, minimum of O divided by 2, and then okay. We return res. All right. Shall suffice. Right, take a look. So first one is NLA EBOLKO. This one should be 1. Second one, now I'm going to copy and paste. This one's 2. Last one is LeetCode will be 0. Text, max text. Okay. Submit this. Run it first, make sure everything's working. Okay, submit it. Okay, so that's that. Create a counter of text and iterate through the letters in balloon and keep track of the minimum count of each letter. Note that for letter L, I should have put here L and O, the count from counter must be divided by 2. So it's ON, and that was our ON time complexity. Time complexity, and we get 32 milliseconds, which is 78% ranking. Can we do this in one line? That's the next question. I mean, it's an easy question, so usually you should try to think about in one line. How can we do this in one line? We can get a counter, right? Get a counter, and then we iterate through this. Get a counter. I don't think we can get in one line. Let's see. Is that like a one-line solution for this? I feel like there should be. 1189. 1189. Okay. Counting characters. Yeah, that's what we do. There's a counting character. Let's count. Find the bottleneck. B count, A count. Okay. Generalized solution using an array. Oh, okay. Generalized. Nice, good. Hard problem, September. Chooses to show us mercy. LeetCode September challenge is all about problem, easy or hard. Generic. Oh yeah, we should try this. Yeah, let's try to write the generic version. Alright, so the generic version, we won't be able to know which one has double, which one. Right, so that's what I was saying. So we do need to count. Yeah, we do need to count the other one as well. So we need 2 counters. Right, so if we want to make it generic, right, so we want to make this generic. Let's make it generic. Actually, that's ON time plus M, right? Where N is the length of text, M is the length of balloon. But balloon already certain, so add just ON in the length of the text. We're gonna do ON plus M the next one. Alright, so generic, so def generic, text and pattern, yeah, text and pattern, and str, and return an int, right, and then blah blah blah. Eventually we call it return generic text and balloon. Alright, and then we can say text count equals text count and pattern count, right? Equals, let's do txt count and pat count. Counter text and counter pattern, right? And then we're gonna say res equals len text as usual, and then for letter and count in pat counter dot items, right? And then if not if, say res equals minimum res txt counter letter divided by c. Yeah, if it appeared once, then it's just that. If it appeared twice, and then return res. Oh, hold a sec. This could be done in one line. So we're just gonna return minimum, right? txtc letter divided by c for letter c in pat dot items. And then let's check this. Oh, that's not one line, but it's getting close. Like 3 lines, right? Solution 2. Yeah, make it generic. OM plus n, where the generic function runs in OM, where m, n are the length of text and pattern respectively. Okay, let's try this. The generic version. I did it in the past. I did it in 2019. Oh, I already started, I think. 2009. Wait, did I start 2019? I don't know. 2019. What was my solution initially? 1 year and 12 months ago. No, I don't think I started back then. It's fine. And then I did it again on 15. Oh, it's almost, the last time I did this question is September 14th, 2019. Today is September 13th, 2021. So almost 2 years ago. I don't remember. I clicked the wrong button. I don't remember. Is that part of the daily challenge as well back then? Oh, look at this. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Alright, it does make more sense, huh? I like the generic version. That's how it's supposed to be, right? Generic version. Alright, that's it. Pretty easy today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Adios.